How to easily pay Canadian Tire credit card. I'm going to tell you how to easily pay your Canadian Tire credit card without any hassle. The fastest way is through online banking. Log in to your bank's app or website, add Canadian Tire Bank as a payee, and use your 16-digit credit card number as the account number. You can also pay through the Canadian Tire Bank mobile app by linking your bank account and setting up a direct payment. Another easy method is at Canada Post outlets where you can pay in person using debit or cash. If you prefer the old fashioned way, mail a check to the address listed on your statement, but remember, it takes longer to process. Make sure to pay a few days before your due date to avoid late fees, especially if you're paying from a third party bank, and that's how you easily stay on top of your Canadian Tire credit card payments.